Hello everyone, my name is Rowick Wayanade, and in today's topic, we will discuss the introduction of trigonometric functions. So, let's draw a right triangle. So in here, in the right triangle, we have the two legs. So this is the leg 1, this is the leg 2, and this will be the hypotenuse. And the angle of interest or means theta. So now we will determine what are these legs. So in leg 1, this is what we call adjacent. It is the base of the right triangle. And leg 2 here is the opposite because it is directly opposite the angle or the theta. So opposite. So now we need to memorize or at least remember the word SOHCAHTOA. So first, what is SO? SO means sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And ka is cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And the TOA, which means tangent theta, equal to opposite over adjacent. So now, let's make an example of it. So here, in the opposite, we will be having a 3. So let's write it 3. In the adjacent, we will having 4. And the hypotenuse will be 5. So now, let's determine which of these hypotenuse opposite adjacent will go in this function SOHCAHTOA. So in sine, we all know we have sine theta is equal to opposite. So the opposite here is 3. So we'll make it 3. And the hypotenuse will be 5. And the cosine, we have the adjacent 4. And the hypotenuse is 5. So 4 over 5. In tangent theta, we will have in the opposite, which is 3. And the adjacent of is 4. 3 over 4. So that's how we determine where the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse will be. Just remember the hypotenuse is across from the angle and the opposite is across the theta, and the adjacent is the base of the angle or the right triangle. Now, the next thing we need to learn is what are the reciprocals of these functions. So the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Cosecant theta, hypotenuse will be at the top and the opposite will go at the bottom. And the reciprocal of cosine will be second. So just like that, secant theta equals to hypotenuse over adjacent. And the reciprocal of tangent will be cotangent. So the adjacent will go at the top and the opposite will go at the bottom. So basically we just need to flip the function of sine, cosine, and tan. It's pretty easy to remember as long as you remember SOHCAHTOA.